On November 5th, Santee voters will have the chance to vote on bond measure NN.
This bond will help us and future students by improving our schools.
With this bond, the Santee School District can add more security systems to keep campuses even safer and more secure. It will also allow the district to upgrade aging buildings and modernize classrooms to create inspiring learning environments. And it will upgrade heating and air systems to keep our classrooms comfortable for learning all year round. Without any increase to the current tax rate for residents, this bond would allow the Santee School District to make critical renovations to keep campuses modern and safe, so the district can continue its mission of providing
an extraordinary education
in an inspiring environment
with caring people.